Hello, this is Ron Parks, and this is Marin by the Numbers. A look at what's happening in the Marin real estate, drilling down into the numbers. We've had some interesting statistics happening in Marin for October. It's interesting that sales of single-family homes reached their highest level since June, rising almost 20% from September and up 40% from year over year. But the interesting statistic about those numbers is that home sales in total are down about 5%. The median prices of a house in Marin declined 14% from October of last year to October of this year, and so did the average price. It declined about 14%. So we're actually seeing a dichotomy of markets. We have two markets here. The strong markets in Marin are the lower priced houses in areas such as San Rafael and Novato, where there's a number of distressed properties. Buyers are still out there looking for short sale bargains and bank-owned properties. There were about 171 single-family homes that sold for the month of October, which is actually up 40% from year over year. Now those numbers might seem good, but let's drill down a little bit into those. 70% of those numbers encompass only 3 cities in Marin: Mill Valley, San Rafael, and Novato. All the other towns, Corte Madera, Larkspur, Belvedere, Tiburon, we've had 2 sales, 3 sales. The high-end homes in southern Marin at the high end of the market, over $2 million, are just not moving right now. I think it's a great time for first-time home buyers, since there's an extension of the $6,500 and $8,000 tax credit. To continue looking for a house and trying to take advantage of that tax credit. There is a $6,500 tax credit, as I mentioned, for second-time or third-time or fourth-time home buyers. Those are people who have been in their homes for at least 5 years. The government is looking for those people, hopefully, to trade up into a more expensive house, to move the numbers around a little bit. So we have some interesting numbers happening in October. Year to date, it's a little better in Marin. I still think it's a very, very strong buyer's market. Let's see how December falls out. December is usually a very good month in Marin. We have a lot of people out there still looking, kicking the tires. I had a client this weekend moving from San Francisco. First thing they wanted to know, what is the best school district? I want my house to stay high in value. Well, it's hard to say that your house will stay high in value, but if you're in a good school district town in Marin, there's a better chance that there'll be better resale opportunities for your home. So go to my website, www.westbayre.com, and go check out all the data, all the statistics. Until next time, this is Ron Parks.
We'll be right back.